each and every state in the country, so that Vikasit 2047, what our Prime Minister's aim and vision is that can be done. A completion of 100 years is a quite and long period and worth to be appreciated. On this occasion, I urge upon the members of the Institute to uphold the dignity and sovereignty of the nation while embracing innovation, inclusive and good governance and commitment to shaping a resilient, efficient and citizen-centric urban local body for the future. As far as Goa is concerned, it is celebrated for its rich culture, heritage, tourism-driven economy and coastal landscape, not to mention at the same time we faces mounting pressure from climatic change. Here Goa, you might be knowing everybody because most of the people are here from Goa, but as you told, they are from Haryana. We are divided by two rivers, big rivers. One north side is river Mandavi and south side is river Zuari. And other side is a big Arabian Sea and one side is Western Ghat. So our topical distribution is well aware in the world. It is pertinent to note that half of the population is in urban area. Tourism generates employment, economic opportunities, but at the same time contributes to the overcrowding, water, power and solid waste challenges. In order to overcome these issues, Government of Goa is all out to strike a balance between the preserving its unique identity and pursuing sustainable climate resilience and inclusive urban development. On this occasion of Centenary year, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the central government and dedicated team of experts at All India Institute of Local Self-Government who have been instrumental in this journey. As you celebrate this centenary, reaffirm your commitment to building excellent and local governance. I once again congratulate the All India Institute of Local Self-Government and wish them all very best for their future endeavor and hope the delegates will enjoy the hospitality in this scenic and beautiful state of Goa. Thank you very much for calling me.